Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to put emojis laptop. Open the file where you will enter the emoji. Now combine the Windows plus dot keys. A window will open with the available emojis. Here you can browse through each category, and by clicking on one of the emojis, it will be added to the document. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.